Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
I am Afshin Qureshi and I upload vlogs, moments and memories. But sometimes you don't just record it, you survive it. And this is about Satya Samadhan 2.0, a national level crime scene investigation competition where logic is tested, pressure is real, and truth is never obvious. Hosted at NSIT IFSCS.
Welcome to NSIT.
But what you saw on the day of event wasn't even 10% of it. It all started with reels, coming up with very fun, cool ideas.
भाई क्या कर रहे हैं रील्स के लिए माय गॉड जमीत
क्या करवा रहे हैं?
Just for the marketing purposes.
शूट करो, शूट.
देखो कितने डेडिकेटली काम कर रहे सब. ऑडियंस हमारी.
भार्गव रॉक्स.
Pretending that we weren't tired while actually being exhausted. Then came promotions.
प्रिंसी को पूरे वडोदरा से वापस बुलाया है हमने शूट के लिए.
Different colleges, different crowds, different dreams. Explaining a competition that didn't exist yet. With confidence, we barely had. Convincing strangers to trust us while we ourselves were still figuring things out. Then came the crime scenes.
अभी से मजूरी चालू तुम्हारी.
Every empty room turned into a murder story.
अभी इस पे काम चल रहा है. गाइस ऐसे बन रहा है क्राइम सीन.
Every chair placement mattered.
एम्प्लॉय था ये बेचारा. If you can see the detailing.
Even every object needed a reason to exist.
Guys, she is the killer. देख लो यही है.
भाई वैसे भी पूरा हालत खराब है अभी इसमें देखो पूरा.
Because one wrong detail
बुलेट विल बी फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस. तो एक एंगल लेना पड़ेगा कि अगर वहां से उसने शूट किया तो इट शुड बी.
could destroy the entire case. We didn't want fake. We wanted uncomfortable.
ओ भाई सर चढ़ रहा है.
स्मेल एकदम वो आ रही है.
Rushis and cuts that felt too real for a college event.
And I thought it is real. रुक जाओ. ये देखो.
Because crime is never pretty. Well, planning never stopped. While eating, while laughing, sometimes while fighting. Because when the pressure is real, opinions do get louder.
बोले मेरा काम डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हो तुम लोग.
There were even major breakdowns, mental and emotional.
तुम रोई ना.
Deadlines don't care about feelings.
इसको लगी है. इसको लगी है.
And time was our biggest enemy.
और इवेंट को सिर्फ 4 दिन बाकी और लिटरली सब कुछ काम बाकी. सब भी ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ ऐसा हो कि हाँ कंप्लीट हो गया. नहीं, मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि वी आर वेरी लेट.
But chaos wasn't the only thing. There was a choreography by Euphoria.
पर 1.5 सॉन्ग हो भी गया है अभी. वी आर प्रैक्टिसिंग.
Which needed practice and coordination. Outfits were tried, rejected, and then tried again. शायद ये अच्छा लगे डांस के वजह से, but it's not given. I'll wear black only because presentation still matters.
करके अक्षय ने पाँव हमारे खत्म कर दिए. उस दिन कोई स्टेज पे गिर जाएगा इसका. डोंट बी सरप्राइज्ड. हम सबके पाँव डेड हैं.
यस.
Registration kits didn't paint themselves. Hundreds of papers,
देखो गाइस, आईडी कार्ड सब कुछ आ गया है.
thousands of small tasks.
कूपन्स बना रहे हैं.
ये जतिन का पहले बनाया है ताकि अगर गंदा बनेगा तो फिर मेरा खराब नहीं होगा. अब मैं मेरा बनाऊंगी.
All invisible on camera, but impossible without. There were meetings,
Actually, it is a mathematics, probably.
a lot of meetings. Meetings that started with energy and
निकल वाला ने भी ले आई कि चलो अब तुम डैड का देखो, तुम पढ़ रहे हो, मतलब तुम पढ़ रहे हो उसका, अब तुम कर
ended with silence.
नहीं भी अच्छी नहीं दिख रही मैं अभी, हाल तो जो केवा થઈ ગયા છે આખા દિવસના.
પડશે બહુ મોટા થઈ ગયા છે. બાય.
We discussed, debated, replanned the same thing again. Well, we even came on non-working days.
गाइस इट्स सैटरडे और फिर भी हम कॉलेज आए. क्यों?
When the campus was quiet, there was no audience, no claps, no appreciation, just belief.
जहाँ पट रही है भी.
Because Satya Samadhan wasn't just built in one day.
बस
It was built in meetings,
कि सब लोग बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स दे, रिव्यूज दे, सब सामने से आके बताते हैं ना, फिर बहुत खुशी होती है, तुम्हें भी अच्छा लगेगा.
in sacrifices, and on the days when no one else showed up.
और ऐसे रखो बस बॉडी ऐसे रखो.
Somehow, between the deadlines and disaster, we still found happiness in the smallest moments. Stupid jokes, unplanned laughter, moments that didn't make it to the checklist but made it into our memories. Because when you are building something you love, even stress starts feeling like fun. And no, it wasn't all perfect. There were fights. Over ideas, over stress, over decisions, and sometimes over nothing. Shut up. Because when pressure builds, emotions do spill. But we stayed.
चलो काम बहुत है अभी.
Because this wasn't about egos.
वो रिकॉर्डेड है मेरे पास.
This was about vision.
पे रखा था, मैं भूल ही गई थी. ऐसे सारे न्यूज़पेपर चल गए, इतना बड़ा पूरा वो हो गया था. आग.
The eve of the event felt different. Not chaotic, but just happy.
आज गिरे ना लाइट्स.
कुछ लोगों की तरह.
We kept rechecking everything, even the things we were sure about, because suddenly everything mattered a lot.
So guys, as you can see, almost ये वाला crime scene is also done. पर सब crime scene में थोड़ा तो बाकी है, जो मैं और आस्था रात को बैठ के documents और सब
इकट्ठा करेंगे हम हॉस्टल.
Every crime scene was touched one last time. Every detail replayed in our heads.
Prince doing physical violence.
The campus was quiet, but we were still there. Some of us laughed.
कास्टिंग बताओ ये क्राइम सीन की.
कास्टिंग ये जो फोटो में दिख रही है वो है माँ.
रुको दिखाने दो.
ये जो टेबल में बैठा है ये है माँ के हस्बैंड. और ये जो बड़ा है वो है इनका बेटा.
Some of us stayed silent. Everyone was quite nervous.
मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ तुम्हारे जाने का.
फिर काम खत्म होगा तब जाएंगे ना. फिर हम देखो यहाँ पे स्क्रिप्ट बन रही है.
There were last minute fixes, and obviously, sleep didn't matter to any of us.
2 बजने में 8 मिनट बाकी, मुझे 4:30 बजे उठना है.
और मैं उठूंगी 6 बजे.
देखती हूँ कितनी 6 बजे उठती हूँ. 5 बजे ना उठाओ तो देखना.
जी नहीं.
Because once that night ended, there was no turning back. 31st January 2026. Registrations were started. Faces full of hopes. Some last peaceful moments before the brains were put on trials.
नाश्ता करिए, आइए चलिए. हमने सबको करा दिया नाश्ता.
The lamp was lit. And Satya Samadhan 2.0 was officially inaugurated.
Of this esteemed national level competition.
Round 1. Quiz. Fast questions, faster thinking. Question doesn't ask if you are ready. and then the results. That is, our top 20 teams who qualified the round 1. Round 2, secret task. 30 minutes and all the teams required power pack combination of creativity, speed and forensic knowledge. It was lunchtime then. Everyone was in relief for something, and then the reality. The top 10 teams who qualified the round 2.
And the last, Justice Square from Harvard University.
The final round. Crimes and investigation. No mercy, no hints. Only observation, logic and the truth. Cultural performances before the valedictory made the event more special as it was performed by the students of NSIT IFSCS. And now it was the time to announce the results.
So the winners of Satya Samadhan 2.0 are...
Relax, this was just the trailer. The real story, chaos, breakdowns and the truth will be dropping soon on my channel. Till then, turn on the notification bell on and make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, wait kya karo, jaldi karo. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.